Yes, this is Mike and his giant Thor hammer penis. Go. It was injured. Holy jeebus. I'm afraid right now. Got a little carried away. I did that. Holy jeebus. Yeah, I did. This is Sparta!
Yeah. Now, Quasimodo's hack.
The gay man walks up to the club. He grabs the shaft.
That was John to get his wings.
You fucking mix.
You've done that.
You hold my turn.
That's sweet.
I think you got a piece of my ear.
You're probably cuter now. Carl, you almost killed us this time. I'm gonna kill you.
Alright.
Last time he almost killed me and Devin.
That's why you want to swing it sideways.
That's what he did. He swung it sideways and me and Devin had to back up. This shit was like this. Exactly how he's about to do it right now.
This way, okay? Fine.
Yeah, but
I'll swing it this way. Ready?
yeah. No, don't even do that. This is so pointless, but it's fun. You hit the. You almost killed your amp. That'd have been hilarious.